So you decided to build a utility trailer to make your life easier. Maybe you need to haul something specific, or maybe it will benefit your business. This episode, we're going to dive into 3 things to consider before you decide to build or to buy a trailer. My name's Kiefer, and this is another episode of Quick Tips. No matter the reason for wanting a utility trailer, choosing between building it yourself or buying one will likely be the next decision you make. If you're on a budget, it's important to know whether building a trailer or buying one will be cheaper. Let's look at the different factors to help figure out which is cheaper or which one is right for you. Since the cost of a new utility trailer is one of the main reasons people decide to build their own, it's important to look at the cost of materials or buying a utility trailer straight from the market. When you start pricing the materials, you will almost certainly find that cheap materials are of poor quality. Buying quality materials is important when building a trailer since you don't want to be hauling around junk. Most new trailers you see for sale on a lot or in the ads are factory built. The factories can buy materials for very low prices due to the quantity that they purchase with. Buying your own can be really expensive. However, buying a utility trailer kit from a company like the Trailer Parts Outlet will offer you similar discounts compared to a factory buying these parts in bulk. In fact, a trailer kit you will build yourself cuts out other costs and often cost much less compared to buying an actual trailer. Just like with many other DIY projects, when you decide to build a trailer instead of buying one, you'll be putting in the work. Factories have to pay for labor. Factories have to pay for parts, and also factories are often made safe and they have all kinds of qualifications they need, and they have to pay for the tools to build the trailers. Do-it-yourself builders don't have to pay for any labor, and you likely already own the tools or you wouldn't be considering building a utility trailer. However, there's still a trade-off, as you have to put in the time to build the trailer yourself. For some, it's worth it, as you will gain the pride in knowing that you built the trailer. Even when you buy a utility trailer kit, you have to do the building. When you go to a trailer dealer and you buy a trailer, you may be able to add a few things to customize it. Maybe you can upgrade the trailer by adding an automatic feature, a hydraulic jack, or any add-ons. But you didn't build it, so you're limited on when it comes to what you truly can do with it. Building a utility trailer from a kit gives you the base trailer. Some will come with the customizations and upgrades like this kind of wheel or that, but you can choose what you want and how you want your trailer to look and even function. And even if you want to fabricate your own customizations after you built the base trailer, you're free to do so. With factory-built trailers, you may be limited on what you can put and where you can put it when it comes to customizing your trailer. Now, answering the original question, when it comes to the actual cost, building a trailer is often cheaper than buying one. Why? You will be the one putting in the labor, but also you gain the ability to customize the trailer to your liking and to your needs. There's also one hidden and forgotten benefit of knowing how your trailer was built. When an issue comes up and you need to make a repair in the future, you'll know exactly what you're getting into because you built the utility trailer you're using. If you have decided the route you're going to take is to build, the Trailer Parts Outlet, we offer trailer kits and even better, step-by-step engineer-approved do-it-yourself trailer blueprints to help you build your trailer. Cut list, bill of materials, everything like that. It's an amazing system. Please, there's a link in the description below. Check them out. As always, we'll see you in the next one. By the way, check out this video here. We started a few podcasts at the company. We'd love for you to watch them. The latest one right here is an episode of Full Send with Juan Hernandez. Go ahead and give it a click. Check it out. We'll see you in the next one. God bless.